The Mahakumbha Mela is an inspiring and deeply rooted religious festival held at the confluence of India's sacred rivers, the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. Known for being the world's largest congregation of religious pilgrims, the event captivates millions of people, including sages, saints, and common devotees seeking spiritual enlightenment. This video script will guide you through the vibrant world of the Mahakumbha Mela, offering a glimpse of its profound cultural significance and the mystical energy that surrounds it. Renowned as the world's largest gathering of religious pilgrims, the event draws millions, including sages, saints, and devotees, all in pursuit of spiritual enlightenment. Every 12 years, the Mahakumbha Mela unfolds at the sacred Sangam, attracting millions of devotees who come to cleanse their souls and attain moksha. Pilgrims are engaged in various activities. Joy, devotion, taking the holy dip in the ice-cold water, confidence at sunrise, priests help guide individuals through intricate rituals. Devotees believe that bathing in the holy rivers during the Kumbha purifies one's soul and absolves past sins. Naga sadhus and holy men are the central to the event. Sadhus from the farthest corners of India, often reclusive, emerge during the Kumbha Mela to share their wisdom and engage in spiritual discourse. Cultural expressions present at the festival: music, dance, theatrical performances, and classical Indian art. Vendors selling traditional food and crafts, adding color and vibrance to the Mela's experience. More than just a place of worship, Kumbha Mela is a gathering of devotees from all over India and abroad. This is a big challenge, such a large gathering presents. These are biggest logistical struggles about how they ensure safety and sanitation to the big crowd they are managing by incorporating tents, security personnel, and volunteers working diligently to maintain order. Organizing an event of this magnitude poses several challenges, yet with the collective efforts of the authorities and volunteers, the Kumbha Mela continues to run smoothly with the blessings of the God they worship.